Lake Lot in the popular Mooresville Estates Community, your chance to be part of the fun in Bluestone. Wooded lot west/a slight slope towards Kerr Lake has a recent 3-bedroom perk and the right side of a shared U-shaped dock. Enjoy use of the dock till you are ready to build. Mooresville Estates has a boat ramp within the community to make it even easier to launch your lake toys. This is a golf cart-friendly community. Site-built or off-frame modular homes west, no minimum square foot noted in the covenants.